Hi everybody! Today we'll figure out how to deploy the Multisignature Wallet smart contract. Go to the main page of Smartz.io and click the Login button. For authorization, unlock MetaMask wallet, and then click on the Login with your Ethereum signature button. The MetaMask window appears. Press the Sign button to sign the transaction. Next, go to the store and select the Multisignature Wallet contract. To create a contract, fill in the following fields. Contract instance name. This is the name of contract instance which you are now configuring and deploying. Signatures quorum. The number of signatures required to withdraw funds or modify signatures. Addresses of owners. Here we indicate, for example, 3 addresses, having received a 2 of 3 multi-signature. Thaw time. This field means that until that time, any funds or tokens held by this contract will be frozen. No one will be able to transfer it. Specify the date of thawing and click the Proceed button. The platform has generated the code for the smart contract. Click on Deploy Now for 0.1 ETH. The MetaMask window appears. Where we have to confirm the transaction, press the Submit button. Now we need to wait a bit until our transaction is mined and included in the blockchain. Excellent! Our smart contract has been sent to the network successfully. In the description, we can see a link to a transaction on the Ethereum network. After a while, the transaction will be confirmed, and we will see a link to the contract in Etherscan, and a link to the Smartz dashboard where we can manage the contract. Thank you for your attention. Till next time.